everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error code 2503. The reason this occurs is that you do not have permissions to write in a temporary folder in Windows. The fix is very easy, so let me walk you through the steps on how to fix it. So what you want to do is open File Explorer, go down to C, go down to Windows, and find the temp folder. So right here, you want to right click on the temp folder, hit Properties. This will come up, hit the Security tab. From here, click on the Advanced tab. Here, the owner is set to System. You want to hit Change. And from here, you want to hit Advanced. And from here, you want to hit Find Now. And in this list, you want to find the everyone user here. Hit OK. Hit OK. And going back from this list, hit the Edit option. From here, hit the Add option. Hit the Advanced option. Hit the Find Now. Find everyone. Hit OK. OK. And on everyone, click Allow on everything. Make sure that it has the rights to modify and control. Hit Apply. Hit OK. Hit OK. And that should solve your problem. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and let me know why, and I'll do my best to fix it.